Hi guys, welcome to my miscellaneous. These are all of my eyeliners, eyeshadow primers, mascaras, brow products. Anything else that I'm missing? No, some randomness in there, but we're gonna look through it all here and see what we can spring clean out of here. Okay, so right here we have my eyeshadow primers. I have, this one is the Ulta Beauty Matte Eye Primer in the shade Nude. This is like concrete for your eyeballs, your eyelids rather. It's just nude. It blends really beautifully into the skin. It does leave a little bit of a tacky base for your shadows to stick to, so if you don't like that you might want to set it. But this is the one that I wear not only most of the time, but like anytime I definitely want to make sure that my eyeshadows last. I think this is going to be great for me for summer. And then this next one here is the Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer in the shade Light. I really like this one, but there are days where this is not quite enough for me. But it is a good shade. This one definitely cancels out the most discoloration. And then I have this little sample size of the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. This stuff, holy moly, a teeny tiny bit of this. Wow, where did it all go? It feels empty now. Oh wow, I don't know if this has gone off or what, but a little bit of this goes a very long way, and it's very light. But holy moly, I thought there was a lot more product in here, and there's like practically nothing. So I guess I'm going to try and use this one up here in March and just move it out, but I am going to keep it for now. And then last but not least, who remembers the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk? This is very white. I was toying with the idea of getting rid of this, but because the ABH one is the lightest one that I have, and there's not much left, and it might not even be any good. It's a little runnier than what I remember. I guess I will keep this one because I do occasionally want a white primer to wear underneath of bright eyeshadows. So I guess I'm gonna keep all four. So next we have my brow products. Look at all the excitement. This is the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Microfine and Define Pencil, and I bought mine in the shade Soft Brown. I have not tried this yet, hence it's still in the packaging, but I decided to buy this as a backup instead of the NYX Micro Brow, just for gits and shiggles, to be honest. No special reason. And then this is my favorite brow pencil. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. This is how small the pencil is. I really like this one. I think this is probably the closest I've found to the Anastasia Brow Wiz, their micro brow pencil. You did get a nice tight, small, smooth spoolie, which I prefer. This is my ABH Clear Brow Gel. This is just a deluxe sample size. You can purchase this size from Sephora. I don't know about Ulta, but definitely at Sephora for $9. Just a clear brow gel, but I love this. This is like super glue for your brows. And that's kind of what my unruly little brows need. And then this is my Essence Make Me Brow. I have mine in the shade 3 Soft Brownie Brows. And I do like this one. It has some fibers in it, which my brows could definitely use a little fluffing, a little extra something something. And this is a nice cool toned product for my brows. And then last but not least, I have a mini or a deluxe size of the, what is this stuff called even? The ABH Dip Brow Gel, something like that. And I have mine in the shade Medium Brown. I'm not the only one that has said this. In fact, I felt so validated when Raw Beauty Christie said it. But this is really hard to get onto your brows without getting it all over the skin, around and under your brows. I do feel like I want to work with it a little more. I'm wondering if as it dries out a little bit more, if it might be easier to work with. It was very wet to start off with, so I am going to keep that one. And then last but not least is this Ulta brow pomade. I got this from my friend Love Heatherette here on YouTube. I'll link her. But this is just a cool tone brow pomade. And I don't know, I just have not had super good luck with pomades. And it's not even my preferred way of applying my brows, but I think I'm just gonna get rid of this. I don't use it and it's still good, and I'd like someone else to get use out of it. This is in the shade Taupe, by the way. So I'm letting go of one brow product and keeping 5, if anybody's keeping count. All right, don't mind the lip balm, but I need something here to keep everything from rolling away. One that I am grudgingly going to get rid of right off the bat is this Ulta Beauty eyeliner pencil. It's dual-sided with this shade called Blackout and this shade called Copper. I actually really like this copper eyeliner, but overall, and this will be a little contradictory to what I'll say in a few minutes here, but overall I'm trying to move out sharpenable pencils from my eyeliner category. I just have had too many times where I've poked myself in the eye or gotten a piece of wood in my eye after freshly sharpening a palette. And while I like this copper color, I think I can find another one that's in a retractable type of packaging, so I'm going to go ahead and let that one go. Let's go into one I know I'm going to keep, and this is the one that I said is a little contradictory, although a couple of these are. This is the Wet n Wild Kohl eyeliner in the shade Simma Brown now. This was a recommendation from Mandylea here on YouTube. I will link her as well, and I love this eyeliner. It's 99 cents. And it's one of the best brown eyeliners I've ever used. It just stays in on my tight line so well. It's easy to use. I don't feel bad about continuously sharpening it to keep it really pointy because it's so inexpensive. And it's actually easier to apply than my Marc Jacobs highliner here. Another one I'm definitely keeping because it is relatively new to my collection is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist 24-Hour Kohl Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Burgundy. And if you've been around for a little while, you might know that I love Burgundy period, but I do love Burgundy mascara, and I love this Burgundy eyeliner. It's nice and dark. In fact, I think this could almost be, almost be dupey for the new Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk eyeliner, because it is like a brownie burgundy, but this is so pretty. I really love the subtlety of a burgundy eyeliner with my brown eyes and just with certain eye looks. Another one I am definitely keeping is this Marc Jacobs highliner. This is in the shade Earthquake, and this is a biatch to open. It is a beautiful brown eyeliner. You can, I don't know if you probably won't be able to see, but mine has like a little divot in the actual pencil, and that's because the best way I can, look how dark and rich that is. But on that note, like, it's very hard for me to actually just draw this onto my eyelids or to tightline or whatever with this, because it is so slippery, slick, I don't know. It's a gel eyeliner, and so I kind of feel like it moves around on me a little bit, and because the pencil's so thick and I don't want to waste the product by using this little sharpener all the time. I just use an eyeliner brush with this and sort of paint it on or smudge it on. So I'm going to keep it, but that's something one or anyone should know if they're considering purchasing these highliners from Marc Jacobs, is that they're very soft and gel-like, and so they're just easy to go overboard with, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Not very well. And also on that note, I plan to keep this Marc Jacobs highliner in Blacker, I believe. Same story, very, very rich in pigment. This was just a little freebie that I got. This is my favorite Pixie. It's called the Eye Bright Liner in the shade number 1 Nude. And this is my perfect nude eyeliner right here. This is beautiful on the waterline. It stays relatively well. I won't say all day, but it stays pretty well on a waterline. And this is a repurchase for me. And then I recently, like end of last year, purchased this NYX eye pencil in the shade Sapphire. How perfect. And this is a blue eyeliner, and I really had been wanting a blue eyeliner. I really do like this as like a fun little pop with certain looks. So I'm keeping that one. I may replace it at some point with a retractable liner, but for now I have this one. And then I was looking for a replacement for a little sample size eyeliner that I had received, I don't know, at some point from Sephora. It's their house brand eyeliner in the shade Blonde Ambition. I loved the shade. This was the best I could come up with. You would not believe how hard it was to find just a regular champagne eyeliner that wasn't gold or whatever. So I found this one from Kiko Milano, but I also really wanted to replace my old green eyeliner. And so I really love that color. I don't wear a ton of colored eyeliner, but I do like to have, you know, like a blue, a green, and a burgundy. Now we're down to these three, and I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I think I'm probably, I don't know. This is so old. I know it's expired. This is a Rimmel Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer in the shade Earl Grey. I really prefer a gray eyeliner over a black eyeliner. And I never can find Rimmel anymore anywhere, so I don't know if I would even be able to find another gray. I'm going to keep this one for now. I'm definitely getting rid of one of these. I think I'm going to keep the NARS one. This is the NARS Larger Than Life Longwear Eyeliner in the shade Via Veneto. It's black. And I actually really like to use this one, and this one is retractable, whereas the Urban Decay is not. So I'm going to keep this one as just a regular tight lining one that I don't have to use a brush with like the Marc Jacobs one. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Zero. I've only used this once, and it was for like cat whiskers and a nose or whatever. That's it right there. It's a nice eyeliner, but it does feel kind of slippy, and I don't need another one like this in my collection, so I'm gonna let that go.
Spoiler alert, we did not do that well with eyeliner.
So I'm getting rid of 2 eyeliners and keeping 9. 9 seems excessive to me. Alright, this one should have been included with my eyeshadow primers. This is the NYX Glitter Primer. Definitely keeping this. I use this a ton. And then this is the Duo Brush On Adhesive with Vitamins. This is a lash glue. I'm gonna keep this. I do occasionally put like little rhinestones on my face for like holiday looks. I may try lashes again at some point if I find a pair that I think I could apply well. Alright, for mascara, I just thought we would go ahead and have everything in here, and I'll just tell you what they are. These are the 2 that I had. Well then, that was rude. These are the two that I have open currently. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, and then this is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Uncensored Mascara. These are both good. I prefer the Milk Makeup one. I forgot how much I really like this mascara. And this one's good, and I do like it. I'll use it. And then I also have a backup of that one. Spoiler alert, I'm keeping all of these, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy seeing my backup mascara, I guess. And then this was the mascara, the burgundy mascara that I was talking about. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara in Deep Burgundy. I love this. I should really open this up soon because I miss using this. Okay, next I have the Ulta Beauty Bold Ambition Volumizing and Conditioning Mascara. That was a free gift with purchase. The rest of these are free gifts. I didn't purchase any of these. This is the Smashbox Super Fan Fanned Out Mascara. False Lash Look, it says. Haven't tried that one before. This is the Benefit They're Real Mascara. I have also not tried that one. And then this is the Bare Minerals Lashtopia Mega Volume Mineral Base Mascara. Have not tried that one before. This is the NARS Climax Mascara, and I love this mascara. I was really excited. If at all possible, you know, when I see these up for grab for like a point perk or something, I'll pick one up. And then this is the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara in Extreme Black. And then last but not least, this is the Clinique High Impact Mascara in black. So I have 11 mascaras, 2 of which are open, 9 of which are backup. I'm set for a while. I usually have 2 mascaras open at any given time. And this CoverGirl one, I think will be giving up the ghost like in the nearest future of the 2 I have open. So, you know, I'll work my way through them. We are keeping all of this and decluttering these 3 things right here. The point of this series is definitely not to specifically declutter. I mean, I'm going to keep the things that I like, and I'm going to keep the things that I can use and use up. So I feel fine about only letting go of 3 products in this video. They're kind of the 3 that I thought I would get rid of in this video, to be honest. But at least you guys got to see kind of what my backup situation is, you know, kind of the amount of things that I like to keep hanging around. And that is it for my miscellaneous video. I hope you guys are really enjoying this series so far. I know I am. It has been amazing just seeing everything reorganize, and like I said, spring cleaning my makeup collection. So that's it for today. Stay tuned for the next one. And I hope all of your makeup days are absolutely beautiful springtime, spring cleaning makeup days. And I will see you in my next video soon.